Alrighty guys, welcome back to another daily adventure. Incense, let's go ahead and pop it. How you doing? Hope all is well. If you're new here, let me go ahead and give you the rundown. We have one of the 3 birds caught so far. The Moltres, caught it with the Master Ball. Seen Articuno many times, haven't caught it, and have yet to see a Zapdos. Yeah, still, have not seen it. Where are you at? First spawn though is looking like it's gonna be a Mankey. That's cool. Mankey down. Oh yeah, how y'all doing? Hope all is well. Hope you guys are having a good day. Whenever I post this. Yeah, I'm so far behind. What the? I'm so far behind on my uploads, yo. I'm trying though. I'm trying. Alright, Sparrow down. What is this? Surge kit? Just in the wild. What is with the... Yo. What is happening here? The game is like... What the... Alright, after a quick reboot. I don't know, the game was just acting funny. This is a Machop. Are you in the wild? You are not. I'm sorry, you are in the wild. And what is happening here, yo? Pokemon Go is broken. We got a Diglett. I'll feed it a berry. Can't chuck the balls, yo. Like it's like they just go flying. That ain't me, I promise you. I ain't never seen that before. Anyways, Diglett is down, and we are on a route. We made this route a couple of episodes ago. And we're going to cut through the neighborhood. We'll go back to this gym. And see if we can make it there before... I don't know. How many Pokemon are in the gym? I kind of want to take it. Okay. What do we get there? Stravia? However you say it. Whew. Okay. That's so weird. It's like they did something with the physics of how you throw. It's just funky to me. Like, I don't know. Like, yeah, just barely throw it now. Yo. Don't be a pain. Finally. Alright. Voltorb. In the wild. I can't tell, yo. I can't barely see my screen. It's so bright out here today. Yo, it's super bright. I can't click the Vulpix. What do we got? Is that a Poliwag? Yeah. Poliwag on the daily. Yo, these... I don't know what's going on with it, yo. The game is broken. Oh, this Sparrow is from my route. That's pretty cool how it gives me a route symbol. Oh, shade. Let me get into the shade for a minute. Yes. Oh my goodness. Temperature just dropped like 10 degrees. Oh, it's so much more shadier over here too. Thank the Lord. What is this? A Pelipper? I mean, okay, Stardust. Never mind, I forgot the game is broken. The game is absolutely broken. The game is broke. I can't do it. Wow. Alright, I ain't gonna lie, the Pelipper, yeah, it was feisty. We got a Waltz. I need to give every Pokemon a berry. I'm working on a quest. Look at that. I barely threw it. Yeah, I promise you, I definitely feel like they changed the way the physics are for throwing a Pokeball. They always gotta do something, man. Wild Nidoran. Wait, a wild Nidoqueen. I'm catching this. Yo, got the Nidoqueen. Alright, we'll check stats at the end of the video. Check my zeros and I check my hundos. I still have... Oh, and Zangoose is out. Yeah. Oh, y'all. Yo, quick catching is so difficult right now. Like, with this glitch or I don't know, whatever it's called. This is weird. Did I see that correctly? Was that excellent? Do I still got it? Shiny checks. Oh, excellent. Hold on, what we got? Clamperl? Oh. Oh. Such a beautiful shiny. I just can't throw balls right now. I don't know what's going on. Is it my phone? Is my phone broken? Is my screen messed up? I can't click them. Yo, it's definitely hot down here in Florida today, yo. Oh, the wind down this street. Ooh, okay. Wild Mankey. Alright, we got 5 minutes left on the daily. Where my bird at? Where my bird's at? Where they at, though? What is this? Mankey? Another Mankey. Didn't want you anyways. Every time I see my Mewtwo, I'm like, what is this? I swear I can barely see my screen. Oop. Vulpix. You're not a bird. You need a berry though. How many berries do I gotta do? This is kind of annoying. The Kanto challenge, 151 berries. And then catch 151 Pokemon from Kanto. Man. I swear, Pokemon Go is really a grinding type of game. Like, it really is. Vulpix down. Wild Ghastly out here. I'll throw a ball at you. Meowth. Meowth on the daily. Get a berry. Oh yeah, I forgot about this part. This is it's gonna be some traffic now. 2.5 minutes left. What is this out here? A little more? Ain't you like a lot of dust? Let me see. I'm curious now. Nah, 100 Stardust. Get out of here. Just the wild to do? Yeah. Get out of here. Oh, Machop. Machop, the block is hot. It's really hot. It's really hot. All right, minute and a half. That should be about 2 spawns. Maybe 3 if we're lucky, but I really doubt it. And I'm surprised that the route hasn't glitched out on us either. Normally the route glitches on me at Broderick Park as of recently. But this one we started at Broderick Park, but it took us through the neighborhood. We catch that, Grimer? Hello? And no internet connection. Wait a minute. Oh, hold up. It ran from me. Doesn't even matter. I think that was the internet connection going out on me caused that Pokemon to run. Thank God it wasn't shiny. I mean, I at least think that's what the case was. We got our Lechonk though. Lechonk. It's down. Poliwag. No shiny. Alright, 13 Pokemon caught. 961 meters. Highlight of today's adventure is gonna have to be Clamperl. Yeah, for sure, Clamperl. Alright, let's check. Let's check the cluster real quick. Hold on now. You get a berry. And a Pokeball. You get a berry. Get a Pokeball. Where am I at real quick with this Kanto? Rediscover Kanto. 151 berries. I'm at 96. 151 Pokemon from Kanto. I'm at 107. That's a lot of XP right there. 15,100 for each of those. And then I got to do this before time runs out on it. More XP right there. We are going to check hundos and zeros real quick. No zeros. No hundos. I've been at 89 hundos for a minute. Where's my hundo? Where's my bird? Like and subscribe for more. Stay tuned. See if I get one on the next episode. We are at 15.4 million. Grinding to level 50. The grind continues. Like and subscribe for more though. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Hope you guys have a great day. I shall see you in the next one. Peace. Mewtwo. That's Panpour. I don't want you. It's gonna white screen me. Okay, well, it's probably a good thing that it white screened right there. I rebooted the game. And here we are. We're at the end. Let's say hi to Mateo. What's up, buddy? Where's our gift gonna come from? Let's give him a sticker. Take one of these. Exchange. Now where's mine from? Taiwan. Nice. What am I gonna get? Another sticker. That's cool, I guess. One of those, 3 of those, 100 Stardust. Thanks, Mateo. Oh, Basculin on the route. Yo, my video just won't ever end. Y'all will get a kick out of this. I did gifts before I started the episode. Like before I even picked a route that I was gonna go to. And I'm just now getting a scout. Oh, is that because of it was from Taiwan? Okay, it kind of makes sense. Wait a minute. Think about that for a second. Yeah, okay. And let's complete the route. So let's see what we get for... Wait. Is there any Zygarde cells? No, there's a Geodude. Shiny check. Negative. Imagine, though. Let's go ahead and complete the route. Yep. Oh, I mean... bonus content. It just keeps going. I guess I'll check it. It's a 3-star. It's cool. I could have submitted a review for my route for doing it for the first time, but I completely skipped through it. That's cool. That's all I got, guys. F my route, I guess. Like and subscribe for more. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Mewtwo. This is it. Final words. Cool.